In this video, I'll talk you through the process of completing a paper claim form. On this form, begin with the Claimant Information section, where you will provide some personal information. Fill in your name, date of birth, current mailing address, including your city, state, and zip, along with your daytime phone number, cell phone number, email address, and social security number. If you're working with an attorney or law office, check the box if you wish to have your funds mailed to their office. Next, review the property holder information section that lists the specific unclaimed property that you're claiming. Sign the claim form by the X to acknowledge that you agree with the terms and provisions. If a notary section appears on the form, sign in the presence of a notary public. The notary is required to fill out the section immediately below your signature. The last section relates to third-party information. Check No if no one assisted you for a fee to recover your unclaimed property. Otherwise, check Yes and provide the fee amount on the line along with completing the third-party information: name, address, phone number, registration number, and email address. Now you can upload your completed claim form to our website. Go to the Claim Status Upload Forms tab on the main screen, right underneath the Already Started Need Help section. Or, if you prefer, print and mail your form to our P.O. Box.